Hello guys, thank you for joining me for another video. Today we are gonna have a look on my battery with the load tester I purchased not too long ago. I'd like to share this with you guys. What does it do? What kind of information you can get out of your battery using this tool? Really useful. I like it. Coming up right after the intro. This is a fairly inexpensive load tester. I think it's £25 or something, but I use it on cars. I use it on my friends' cars, on my bikes, previous bikes. This one, this is just gives you a nice indication of your health of the battery, so you know. Actually, it tells you how many amp it puts out. This is powered by the battery itself, so it doesn't have an internal battery. So you just hook it on and it straight away shows you the voltage of the battery. I'm going to try to zoom in so you can see it better, hopefully. Hopefully you're still in focus. Right, so this is the one I use. I recommend it. I bought it 2 years ago maybe. Still works fine. So I'm quite happy with that. So basically first you gotta press OK to get into the menu, and you can do battery test, you can do cranking test, charging test, you can review the data, you can print the data, and you can choose the language, but obviously I use English. It's got a USB mini connection, so you can actually download the data to your computer and save it to your customers if you have any, or if you do it for living or something like that. So we're gonna do battery test. Here you need to choose what type of battery you're testing. This particular one can do regular flooded, which this one is, AGM flat plate, AGM spiral, gel, or EFB, which is the enhanced flooded battery. That's the one I've got in my car, but don't matter. So this is just a regular flooded battery. Here you can change what kind of rating you want to check. It's got SAE, MCA, BCI, CA, CCA. This is what we're going to check. So it's got all these features. We're going to check the cold cranking amps. This battery unfortunately doesn't have any sticker which tells you how much is it, but I reckon around 300, I think. So we're going to change that to 300 amps. It doesn't matter if you put 300 and your battery actually makes 400. It's gonna measure it anyway. It's just gonna show health like 100%, because obviously it's over that. And then you just press OK, and it's testing it, and it's gonna tell you the result in a minute. Right. So this one, it shows you the healthy is 100%. It does 305 cold cranking amp. Charge state is 98%, 12.62, and it tells you the internal resistance, which is important. It's good to know. If it's too high, then you got probably built up sulfation too much. This is 9.82 milliohm, and it tells you that as well. So even if you don't understand everything of here, it tells you that it's a good battery. Kind of using it, and I never had a problem with this battery. It starts the bike good. I'm happy with that. So basically, to sum it up, you are going to need, if you want to test your battery properly, you are going to need something like this tool, because this is just, well, basically test it properly. From that voltmeter, you can't really tell if your battery is healthy or not, or how many amp it can create to start your bike. So I do recommend to get one of them tools as well in your garage. And yeah, basically that's it for me, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. That's it for me for today. Like or dislike, subscribe if you haven't already, put that bell on so you don't miss anything coming up, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.